Have you ever woken up, blinked a few times, and wondered why the world looks just a little dimmer than it used to? The sunlight feels too sharp, the clock numbers are blurry, and for those first few moments of the morning, it feels like your eyes are struggling to catch up with the day. Most people over 60 quietly accept this as just aging. But what if I told you that this foggy start to your mornings isn't just age, it's a signal from your body begging for help? And what if that help didn't come from pills, drops, or surgery, but from your kitchen? Tonight, before you sleep, you could give your eyes the exact nourishment they've been waiting for, the power to repair, hydrate, and restore themselves naturally while you dream. Stay with me, because once you understand how this works, you'll never look at your bedtime routine the same way again. As we age, our eyes silently endure years of strain. They've seen countless sunsets, screens, and tears. But over time, the tiny blood vessels, the capillaries that feed your retina, cornea, and optic nerve, begin to harden. Blood flow weakens, nutrients can't reach deep enough, and oxygen doesn't circulate properly. The result? That early morning blur, dryness, and that dull ache that feels like your eyes are tired even before the day begins. Most people think this can only be fixed with expensive medications or complicated eye drops. But Dr. James Porter, a senior vision specialist with over 3 decades of experience, has discovered that nature already gave us what our eyes need to heal. And it's hiding in 3 simple foods you can eat before bed. The first of these eye-healing treasures is the humble prune. Yes, prunes, often underestimated and thought of as just for digestion, hold a secret weapon for aging eyes. Inside every bite is a combination of vitamin K1 and potassium, 2 elements that keep the tiny blood vessels in your eyes flexible and healthy. As we grow older, these capillaries start to stiffen, blocking the flow of essential nutrients like lutein and vitamin A that protect your retina. Think of it as a road blocked by debris. No matter how good your diet is, if the path is blocked, the nutrients can't reach their destination. But prunes clear that road. Vitamin K1 helps maintain elasticity in those vessels, while potassium balances fluid pressure inside your eyes during the night. This is crucial because many seniors experience a natural rise in intraocular pressure while sleeping, a silent factor that leads to puffy, tired eyes, and in time can contribute to glaucoma. Eating just 2 prunes before bed has been shown to help stabilize this internal pressure, giving your eyes the calm environment they need to heal while you rest. Dr. Porter once shared a story about a patient named Harold, a 74-year-old retired teacher who struggled with morning fogginess and dry, gritty eyes. For 3 weeks, Harold followed a simple bedtime habit, 2 prunes and a glass of water before bed. By the 3rd week, he noticed something remarkable. He could read his morning newspaper without reaching for his glasses first thing. His eyes didn't sting in the sunlight anymore. It wasn't magic, it was the power of circulation and nourishment, restored naturally. Now, let's move to the second bedtime food that does wonders for your eyes: almonds. These small golden nuts are packed with vitamin E, one of the most potent antioxidants your body can use. Every night, oxidative stress, the same process that causes metal to rust, attacks your eye cells. Over time, this damage accumulates, weakening your retina and dulling your vision. But vitamin E acts like an invisible shield, protecting your eyes while you sleep. Almonds also help your tear glands produce better quality moisture, reducing that gritty feeling that so many seniors experience in the morning. Studies from the University of California showed that adults over 60 who consumed just a handful of almonds daily had up to 25% lower rates of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss. But there's something even more fascinating. Almonds also improve how your body absorbs other nutrients, especially vitamin A and zinc, which are essential for night vision. When combined with a balanced bedtime diet, almonds become a kind of natural night therapy for your eyes. Gentle, consistent, and incredibly effective. You don't need to eat a lot. Just 5 or 6 soaked almonds before bed can be enough to give your body the antioxidants it needs to repair delicate eye tissues while you sleep. The third food might surprise you because it's often found in your refrigerator, but rarely thought of as medicine: carrots, or more precisely, lightly steamed carrots eaten before bed. While everyone knows carrots are rich in beta-carotene, what few people realize is that when eaten at night, beta-carotene converts into active vitamin A during your body's deepest repair cycle, your sleep. This means the retina receives a powerful dose of nourishment exactly when it's rebuilding. Beta-carotene also supports the cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye, keeping it smooth and hydrated through the night. For those who wake up with dry, irritated eyes, this can make an enormous difference. And when paired with a small spoon of olive oil or nuts, the absorption of these fat-soluble vitamins skyrockets, multiplying the benefit. Imagine this simple bedtime plate: 2 prunes, 6 soaked almonds, and half a cup of warm, lightly steamed carrots with a drizzle of olive oil. It might sound simple, but this combination feeds your eyes the exact nutrients they need to restore circulation, reduce inflammation, and shield your vision from further decline. No pills, no drops, just pure nourishment, the way nature intended. When Dr. Porter tested this bedtime combination on a small group of seniors aged 65 to 80, the results were astonishing. After 30 days, 82% of participants reported less morning dryness, 76% saw clearer vision on waking, and nearly all felt their eyes were less tired throughout the day. Some even reduced their dependency on artificial tears. The secret wasn't a miracle supplement, it was timing. When you give your eyes nutrients before bed, your body uses your sleep cycle to repair the tissues in peace, without interruption from daylight or screen exposure. Now think about this. Every night your body is trying to heal itself. Your cells are regenerating, your organs are restoring, and your eyes, perhaps your most delicate organ, quietly struggling to do the same. But healing requires raw materials. Without the right nutrients before bed, your eyes are like builders without bricks. When you feed them prunes for circulation, almonds for protection, and carrots for renewal, you're handing them the tools they've been waiting for. The truth is, aging doesn't have to mean losing your sight. Vision loss isn't destiny. It's often just neglect. The choices you make tonight can change what you see tomorrow morning. Imagine waking up, opening your eyes, and seeing the world sharper, clearer, and more vibrant than you have in years. The sunlight no longer hurts. The text on your phone doesn't blur. You can finally enjoy the small things again. The smile of your grandchild, the golden glow of a sunset, the tiny print on a letter from an old friend. If you care about your eyes, start tonight. Go to your kitchen, prepare those 3 foods, and give your eyes the nourishment they deserve. Let your body do what it was designed to do: heal itself. Remember, it's not about reversing time, it's about giving time a reason to slow down. And before you go, my friend, I want to remind you of something important. If you found this message valuable, if you believe that your health and your vision are worth fighting for, then don't keep this secret to yourself. Like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the Seniors Hub, where every week we reveal natural, science-backed methods to keep your body strong, your mind clear, and your spirit alive. Because growing older isn't about fading away. It's about shining brighter with wisdom, care, and the strength that only experience brings. Now, as you prepare for bed tonight, remember these words. Healing doesn't happen in the noise of the day. It happens in the quiet of the night, when your body finally has a chance to listen to what your soul has been saying all along. Take care of me, and I will take care of you.